joining this inaugural course, Value and Objections, on the Objections and Value block, as we are going to go on to 50 objections and 100 rebuttals. But in this course, we cover such things such as attitude is altitude when overcoming objections. Realize that your attitude creates your altitude, and this shows and helps you overcome objections. Use objections to create value. When customers have objections, realize what that objection is and create value from there. There are some things you can only learn by playing the game, especially with value, creating value, and overcoming objections. And remember the 5 steps to create value in the objection. It only matters what the customer values. If you really want to be a master at overcoming objections, realize it matters what the customer values. Therefore, we can extract the objection and overcome that objection. Fifi, find the objection, fix the objection with a solution. Allegory, sell with a story. Sell with a similar scenario that your previous customers have dealt with and how together you overcame it, or you had a similar problem, an objection, and making the move forward and you overcame it. And overall, how to overcome objections in a way that your customer sees as value and provides value to their objection. Value and identify the customer's wants and needs. Offer a solution. Offer satisfaction to both their want and their need. Create value through the process. I always teach process, process, process. When we create a value in our sales process and the way we handle ourselves and the way the customers respond to us, that's truly creating value in the process. Always remember, the lowest price is not the best value. Remember, you are the product authority. Communicate this professionally. Communicate this in a way that shows that you are not being arrogant, cocky, but that you listened to your customer, you understood your customer, and show them that you are the product authority. And remember that a dynamite presentation and demonstration creates value and overcomes objections more than anything else. So get ready for your upcoming survey on value and objections. And remember, you have 50 objections coming up, as well as 100 rebuttals to overcome those objections. Once and again, always and forever, no walls, go out and conquer you.